As today onwards I am going to teach you like this only. Today we will start with topic of class +1, that is dimensional analysis. As previously we had done the topics, yes, we have done the topics with videos only, but we have done the topics with WhatsApp videos. So we have done till here. So let's directly going further. Let me recapitulate the things which we have discussed before. Now we have discussed how we can find out the dimension of a given physical quantity, what are dimensional analysis, how we are going to write down the formula for dimensional analysis. These things we have done before. So let's start with the dimensional analysis. That is, let's start with this topic, and first of all we will know how to find out the dimensional formula for force, pressure, velocity. These are the physical quantities which you have discussed in your previous classes. So we will start with this only, so you will get an idea. Momentum we have discussed. What else we have discussed in previous classes? Work and energy. Gravitational constant. Now let's start with the force. Now to write the dimensional formula, we must know the units of force. What is the expression for force? That is mass into acceleration. Now unit of mass is kg and acceleration is meter second minus 2. Now when we have to write dimensional formula, then we write these in terms of m, l and t. Now m means mass, l means length and t means time. So kg is the unit of mass. So in place of kg we can write m. In place of m, that is meter, that is the unit of length, and second is the unit of time. So we can write T. So here in kg we have a power 1, so there is no need to write 1. In meter there is no need to write 1. So but in second there is -2 here, so we have to write -2 here, and these must be written in square brackets. So this is the dimensional formula for force. Similarly, pressure. Pressure is force divided by area, or thrust divided by area. As you all know that, I am not going to do it once again. Force is kg meter second minus 2 and area is meter square. So it is going to be cancelled. Now what else is left? Kg, again m. Now when meter is in denominator, when I am going to take it to the numerator, it will be meter minus 1. So I can write L minus 1 here and T minus 2. Velocity is, what is velocity? Displacement upon time. Displacement upon time. So displacement is basically a length. We can take it in terms of meter only, and time is in seconds. So meter is here. This is the only physical quantity till now where we don't have mass. So in such physical quantity, so if I want to write it in terms of m, then we can put 0. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So when there will be 1 here, then there is no need to write m. And meter is L and second is T. So when we are going to take second to the numerator, it will come as -1. Now momentum. Momentum is mass into velocity. Now very simple, mass means m and velocity means L/T minus 1. Now work, I have written here only work. Work and energy have the same units, that is joule. So what is work? Work is basically force into distance or displacement. So force is, I am write directly in terms of dimensional formula, ml t minus 2, and distance is, distance we can take in terms of length only, so only L. So what we are going to write? M L2 T minus 2. Clear? Now gravitational constant. It is I think you have done this in class 9th. Gravitation chapter. F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. So what will be the formula for G? Let me rub the things that is written over. So F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. Now first of all I am going to find out the formula for G. F into r square is equal to G m1 m2. So G comes out to be F into r square divided by m1 m2. I hope it is clear to you. You just have cross multiply the things. Now F is Newton and meter square kg square. This is the formula. Now how you are going to write Newton? Newton is mass into acceleration. So how you are going to define 1 Newton? When a body of mass 1 kg is accelerated through an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. So in place of Newton, what I can write? I can write kg meter second minus 2. Again meter square kg square. So kg and kg is going to be cancelled. Kg minus 1 meter cube second minus 2. So what will be the dimensional formula for gravitational constant? Kg is the unit of mass. So for mass what we write? M. M is having, kg is having power minus 1. So m minus 1 L cube, meter is L cube, T minus 2. So I hope you get these things.